Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today we're diving into the 2026 Subaru Baja Pickup Truck, a bold return that has captured the attention of adventure lovers and off-road enthusiasts. The 2026 Baja blends Subaru's signature all-wheel drive capability with the utility of a midsize pickup, delivering a unique combination of performance, versatility, and style. Under the hood, the new Baja is expected to come with Subaru's reliable 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, pushing out around 260 horsepower. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, the Baja ensures smooth yet powerful performance whether you're driving on city streets or rugged trails. Rumors suggest a hybrid variant could be on the way, making it even more appealing for those seeking fuel efficiency alongside functionality. The design of the 2026 Baja stands out with a rugged yet refined exterior. Subaru has given it a more aggressive grille, sharper LED headlights, and a muscular profile that screams utility and style. The bed is practical, offering ample space for gear, tools, or weekend adventure equipment, and there's talk of clever storage solutions integrated into the bed and under the rear seats. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and modern, featuring an upgraded infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and a premium audio system. Subaru's EyeSight safety suite is expected to come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. Higher trims may also include features like a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and wireless charging. The 2026 Subaru Baja is designed for those who want the utility of a truck without giving up the comfort and reliability that Subaru drivers love. It's not just a pickup, it's a lifestyle statement, ready for city drives, mountain escapes, and everything in between. Whether you're a longtime Subaru fan or someone looking for a fresh alternative in the midsize pickup market, the Baja is shaping up to be a compelling option. Thanks for tuning into the Modern Pulse. If you found this video helpful or interesting, make sure to hit that like